L, 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 lull. This is the letter L. L is for lemon. L is for lamb. Let's learn. Let's learn. L is for lion. Now it's your turn. L is for lion.
Lion.
Now it's your turn. L is for lamb. Now it's your turn. L is for lemon.
Game time! Which one starts with the letter L? That's right! That's right! L is for lamb!
Which one starts with the letter L? That's right! L is for lemon.
Which one starts with the letter L?
Lulu.
That's right! L is for lion.
Yay! You won! Now you're a member of the Cyrus Smart Club. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.